Hello friends. Let us see what is innate immune response. The innate immune response is the first line of defense in our body against infections. It is non-specific, meaning it does not target a particular pathogen but responds quickly to any foreign invader, bacteria, virus, fungi, parasite, toxins, etc. It is present from birth, does not require prior exposure to a pathogen, and does not develop memory, except some trained immunity in NK cells and macrophages. Now, what are the components of innate immunity? Innate immunity consists of four major components. 1. Physical and chemical barriers, such as skin, prevents entry of microbes. Mucous membranes present in respiratory, gastrointestinal, urogenital tracts act by secreting sticky mucus to trap pathogens, producing antimicrobial substances, and housing immune cells that detect and eliminate invaders. Cilia in respiratory tract removes particles. Stomach acid, bile, and digestive enzymes destroy ingested pathogens. Lysozyme in saliva and tears breaks bacterial cell walls. And normal microbiota, which competes with pathogens. Next, what are the cellular components involved in innate immune system? Cells like neutrophils, macrophages, dendritic cells, natural killer, NK cells, eosinophils, basophils, mast cells play significant role in innate immunity. Now about humoral components, which are soluble molecules, such as complement system proteins, play role in opsonization, lysis, and inflammation. Cytokines like interleukins, interferons, TNF, chemokines, and acute phase proteins, such as C-reactive protein, mannose-binding lectin, fibrinogen, play important role in innate immune response. Next, inflammatory responses, such as local reaction to injury infection, give rise to redness, swelling, heat, pain, leads to increased blood flow, immune cell recruitment at infection site, and pathogen destruction. Next about cells involved in innate immunity. Neutrophils, first responders, perform phagocytosis, release enzymes and reactive oxygen species. Macrophages are long-lived phagocytes, helps in antigen presentation and cytokine release. Dendritic cells, perform phagocytosis and are best antigen-presenting cells, bridge to adaptive immunity. Natural killer, NK, cells, kill virus-infected or tumor cells using perforin and granzymes. Eosinophils, defense against parasites, allergic response. Basophils and mast cells, release histamine, important in allergies and inflammation. Next, mechanism of innate immune response. 1. Pathogen entry. Bacteria virus enters through skin or mucosa. 2. Recognition by pattern recognition receptors, PRRs. Innate immune cells recognize PAMPs, pathogen-associated molecular patterns, for example, LPS on bacteria, viral RNA. Receptors like Toll-like receptors, TLRs, Nod-like receptors, RIG-I detect invaders. 3. Phagocytosis and killing. Neutrophils and macrophages engulf pathogen, leads to pathogen destruction by enzymes and reactive oxygen, nitrogen species. 4. Inflammation. Damaged cells release histamine. Prostaglandins leads to increased blood flow and permeability. Then cytokines, IL-1, TNF-A, interleukin-6, recruit immune cells. 5. Complement activation leads to opsonization, marking pathogen for destruction. Then membrane attack complex MAC forms holes in pathogen membrane, leads to lysis of microbes. 6. Antiviral response. Virus-infected cells release type 1 interferons, IFN-alpha, IFN-beta, alerting neighboring cells and activate NK cells. 7. Killing of infected cells. NK cells kill infected tumor cells using perforin and granzymes. 8. Resolution and bridge to adaptive immunity. Dendritic cells migrate to lymph nodes, present antigen to T cells, then adaptive immune response begins. Key features of innate immunity. Immediate response, in minutes to hours. Non-specific, same response for all pathogens. No memory, response same in repeated infections. Provides first protection until adaptive immunity develops. Thanks for watching. Like, share, and subscribe.